So, over the head of the Santa Cruz Mountain up there, you can find two bright schools here in Jamaica, Hampton and Monroe. A lot of lawyers, teachers, and doctors. Diver is somewhere here in the water.
Oh.
The diver here in the water.
Yeah.
He's somewhere.
That little boat is a canoe.
Oh.
So see the dive up ahead there?
Yes.
On the left?
Oh my god. Aren't he afraid of the crocodile?
And that. Right there. See over there, guys? It's still clear down there.
Das wäre mal eins wäre.
But here has crocodiles.
So who would like to swim? Anyone?
No.
Do you have a swimming here on here? Guys, all these grass was burned down in April.
Wow.
It'll start going back up. All those streams was burned up by the wildfire. And it doesn't happen the river. Here we have over 40,000 acres of wetland, the widest wetland area here in Jamaica. All these grass are floating like a mat. The mat is about 3 to 4 feet thick. Underneath you can find them.
Yes. It's more darker.
Why this river is so black? It has a dark greasy side to the bottom, peat side. Come on, buddy.
Oh mein Gott, das ist gut so.
Als je me gold van kuurt.
There you go. There you go.
Oh my god.
And those are the frigate bird up ahead.
The crocodile can't jump.
Yeah, they do jump.
Oh my god, but I
Dus
don't.
lekker hem te zijn in.
Come here, boy.
Oh.
Come here, buddy.
The crocodile.